Thank you, Tyler. Hi guys, my name is Rachel Young, and I'm going to be talking about the use of rental services as a primary method of watching movies. Who doesn't enjoy cuddling up on a Friday night, wearing your favorite sweatpants, picking out your favorite candy, popping some popcorn, and watching one of the new releases on DVD? If you enjoy this, then you're going to be joining the ranks of Americans who enjoy being able to use the rental services as a method of watching movies from their own home. Today I'm going to be talking about why someone may or may not choose to use rental services as their method of watching film. I'm going to be going over some of the pros and cons of why someone would or wouldn't choose. One of the main pros is you get to watch the movies from the comfort of your own home. You get to wear what you want, you get to eat what you want. You can have dinner and a movie if you want. Also, I don't think anyone really enjoys paying a ridiculous amount for this deliciousness. I mean, come on, really? It also gives you a way that you can try before you buy. So if you want to buy a movie on DVD, you can go and rent it and make sure it's going to be worth the $25 to keep in your DVD collection. Also, you're not going to be paying for a monthly subscription like you would for some streaming services. Some of the cons that I think are what leads people away from them is it is dependent on the availability of films. A lot of the brand new releases you're not going to get out to the Redbox and DVD kiosks until much after they're released on DVD. You also can incur late fees, so if you're someone who likes to procrastinate, I wouldn't recommend this for you, because it may be cheaper to go other routes. And there's very few physical stores to actually rent out anymore. And you're also going to be having to make 2 trips, one to go get the movie and then one to take it back. And for the prices you're looking at, for Redbox and other DVD kiosks, you're going to be spending about $1.75 a day for a regular DVD and then $2 a day for a Blu-ray DVD. And if you're going to be using other services such as renting through your TV subscriber, Amazon, Apple TV, or such avenues, you're probably going to be spending around $5 to rent a movie for a certain amount of time that they've already set. And now you may be wondering, okay, so I want to rent a movie, but how and where can I get them? There's actually a lot of ways that you can rent movies. You can go to Redbox and other DVD kiosks that are all over in major cities, and even in smaller cities, there's probably going to be at least one of these that you can go rent at. Smaller grocery stores still have a smaller selection that you can choose from. And yes, there still are blockbusters that exist. And Netflix still has their mailing option to where you pay them and they'll mail you movies, and when you're done with them, you send them back. And you can use your Amazon, Apple TV subscriber as another way to rent movies for a certain amount of time. There's many routes that you can go to be able to rent movies. Renting movies is a great way to have a low-key night with your friends or your family. And if you're like me, watching movies is a huge hobby of mine. But sometimes I just don't want to have to get ready or look presentable and go out to the movies, or have to pay a monthly subscription. Renting movies is a cost-effective way to be able to watch films, and although you're not going to have access to all movies ever existed through all these different avenues, you can have a wide variety of films that are available to you. But wait, there's more. Up next, my friend Atu is going to be talking about the use of streaming services to be able to watch film. Atu, it is your turn, my friend, and you are front and center.